What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daddy Jeep Garage. We have just arrived at Rausch Creek Off-Road Park for the, I don't know what they're calling it, the Rausch Creek Rumble maybe, but the Ultra4 race here at Rausch Creek. Super excited to be a part of this event. Going to be a course worker of some capacity. All right, we are out on course. The first qualifying car to go by is coming right now. Let's see what we got. Out. We're actually racing now. Qualifying is over. We got the side-by-side racing. We're out here on Trail F. Gonna watch them come down this rock section. Got the music blaring. They're having a blast out here. Dropped into low range. That was Paul Wolf looking like number one on course. had 3 classes running now. So you said only one is finished in the.
We had 2 classes running here.
Oh, just 2.
And
okay.
1 UTV race, and then the next one is 1 class racing for the Pro Modified class.
Gotcha.
So this was the open and the stock. Up next will be Pro Modified by themselves.
Okay, gotcha.
So this race was open and stock, racing at the same time, but scored separately.
Mm-hmm.
And up next will be the Pro Mods, and they're racing all alone. And that's going to be a good one.
Oh, yeah.